Let's see what we need to make Nigeria puff puff. First thing we'll be needing is bowl. You need bowl to make Nigeria puff puff because that is what you are needing to mix your dough. Next we'll be needing all-purpose flour. Next you need sugar, instant dry yeast, vanilla, nutmeg, salt to taste. After adding all the ingredients here, then you have to mix this with warm water. Making Nigeria puff puff, you don't need to use cold water to mix your batter. You have to mix your batter with warm water. For your puff puff batter to get active on time, you have to use instant dry yeast. When you use instant dry yeast to mix your batter, it will enable your batter to get active on time. Our today haul goes to Peace Richard, watching from Nigeria. I'm happy to have you here, sweetie. Don't forget to share the recipe. Don't forget to let us know where you are watching from so that the next haul will be for you. So always try to drop your location in the new post. All right, thank you for being here. I appreciate you all. So the effort you put mixing Nigeria puff puff batter always matter. You have to make sure that you know the exact quantity of water you are adding and know when you're supposed to stop adding water and when you have to add more water. It really mean a lot. So you can see how I'm adding water mixing this batter. So I just have to make sure that this is well mixed and nice. So after mixing the batter, I'm going to cover this batter to rest for 1 hour so that the batter will double its size. So now I'm done mixing the batter. I'll use my spatula to make sure that I gather all the batter together. So covering this, if your water is hot, you can last for 1 hour, but if you are in a cold weather, at least 2 hours, your batter have to be ready. After 2 hours, you open your batter, it does not double its size. That means it's not ready, or it's not going to give you Nigeria puff puff. So something like this. So when you open, you have to see something like this. You see that, guys? So this means your batter is ready. Now you can able to fry puff puff 100%. So now I will add it inside a hot oil, then start frying this puff puff. Just take a good look at that. The moment you add it inside the oil, it will just bounce up. That means your oil is hot and your batter is well mixed. You see that? So if you add it, it's not going to rest inside the oil, but it's going to stand on top of the oil. That means your batter is well mixed and the oil is hot. So before you add in your batter inside the oil, you have to make sure that the oil is already hot and your batter is well mixed. So this is just Nigeria puff puff for you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share. If you want to make your Nigeria puff puff both for sale and both for eat, follow this process and make your Nigeria puff puff, and let me know in the comment section that you share this post, and I will still like to see you all in my next one. Bye bye.